Hello everyone, myself Vaibhushi from Department of Computer Science studying in Gokte Joglekar College, Ratnagiri. So in this video, I want to explain you about basic of ER model. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Introduction to ER model. ER model is used to model the logical view of the system from data perspective, which consists of following components: data, entity, attributes, and relationship. Entity. An entity may be an object with a physical existence, a particular person, car, house, or employee, or it may be an object with a conceptual existence, company, job, or university course. Then types of entity: strong entity and weak entity. Let's see difference between them: strong entity and weak entity. The strong entity has a primary key, where the weak entity in DBMS do not have a primary key. Its existence not depend on any other entity. In weak entity depends on other entities. Weak entities are dependent on strong entities, and weak entities are dependent on parent entity. Strong entity is represented by a single rectangle, where weak entity is represented by double rectangle. Attributes. Attributes are the properties which define the entity type. For example, roll number, name, date of birth, age, address, mobile number are the attributes which define entity type students. In ER diagram, attributes is represented by an oval. Types of attribute: key attribute, composite attribute, multivalue attribute, and derived attribute. Key attribute: the attribute which uniquely identifies each entity in the entity set is called key attribute. For example, roll number will be unique for each student in ER diagram. Key attribute is represented by an oval with underlining lines. Composite attribute: an attribute composed of many other attributes is called as composite attribute. For example, address attribute of student entity type consists of city, street, state, and country. In ER diagram, composite attribute is represented by an oval comprising of many ovals. Multivalue attribute: an attribute consisting more than one value for a given entity. For example, phone number can be more than one for a given student. In ER diagram, multiple attribute is represented by double oval. Derived attribute: an attribute which can be derived from other attributes of the entity type is known as derived attribute. Example, age can be derived from date of birth. In ER diagram, derived attribute is represented by dash oval. The complete entity type student with its attribute can be represented as following diagram. Relationship: a relationship type represents the association between entity type. For example, enroll-in is a relationship type that exists between entity type, student, and course. In ER diagram, relation type is represented by a diamond and connecting the entities with line. Types of relationship: one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-one, and many-to-many. One-to-one. Such a relationship exists when each record of one table is related to only one record of the other table. For example, if there are two entities, person and passport, so each person can have only one passport and each passport belongs to only one person. One-to-many or many-to-one. Such a relationship exists when each record of one table can be related to one or more than one record of the other table. This relationship is the most common relationship found. A one-to-many relationship can be also said as many-to-one relationship, depending upon the way we view it. For example, if there are two entity types, customer and account, then each customer can have more than one account, but each account is held by only one customer, so it is one-to-many relationship. But if we see by other way, many account is associated with one customer, then we can say that it is many-to-one relationship. Many-to-many. Such a relationship exists when each record of the first table can be related to one or more than one record of the second table, and a single record of the second table can be related to one or more than one record of the first table. For example, if there are two entity types, customer and product, then each customer can buy more than one product, and the product can be bought by many different customers. I hope you have understood the basis of ER model.